Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the ShareTracker in EDU 5287 this semester. As you can see, it's a simple spreadsheet. It's a Google spreadsheet, and I have created columns where each of the assessments that you're responsible for during the course are listed with a due date. Student names will be listed here once the class list rather, is finalized, and also emails. If you don't see your name there, please add it. If you have a website, I encourage you to add the link to your website here. And if you have a professional Twitter handle that you use for sharing resources, please add that here as well so that we can follow one another. As I note in the syllabus, this really is also about creating a learning community. So although it might seem a bit bizarre to be sharing links to your work, especially work in progress, just know that this is also meant to help you think deeply about the affordances of this kind of an environment for supporting learning in an online course. One thing that I wanted to show you is how to insert a hyperlink. So once you've finished a piece of work and you go to hand it in, really all you have to do is submit a hyperlink. So let's say for the draft of your digital learning resource, right, your design journal, you've finished it, you've created a Google Doc and you want to link to it. I'm just going to pretend that this evaluation notebook document is the template, is my design journal. Notice that I've set the sharing settings here. This is actually kind of important to anyone with the link can access. And you can either set it to view, edit, or comment. Okay. So I've copied that link and I'm going to now insert it here because this is my work. Insert link. I'm going to paste the link here using my Command V. There it is. And there's the link. So you've just submitted your work to the course. I, of course, can check using the revision history when assignments have been submitted. So just add your links when you've completed your work, okay? And you can see all the deadlines and all of the assignments have been listed here. So I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, of course, please don't hesitate to get in touch.